Butch and Sharon recently moved into the bottom level of this mountain home. Sharon found my bio online and asked me to come out to give her some ideas about how to develop her property. They have a wonderful view from the back door, and they love to sit outside and enjoy the Colorado air. But their existing patio was small and uneven, and the sloped yard made it challenging to extend. After a thorough site analysis, we decided to move forward in designing a new patio, one that would give them a comfortable space to sit and entertain, and would give Sharon a new garden bed. After a few initial design ideas, the final design finally emerged. I calculated the dimensions and the materials needs and presented them with an estimate for what it would cost to install the project. They agreed to my bid, and I was ready to roll. On September 4th, 2014, I broke ground and really started having fun. Excavation went smoothly. I installed a system for water drainage and placed the first blocks. As the wall grew, it was important to properly set the stones into the slope. There was plenty of online material and diagrams provided for by the manufacturer of the Allen blocks I was using. Setting the posts required some geometry, but soon I was building the second tier. Adequate compaction of the backfill material was critical. When both walls were built, I cut the caps and set them on top of the blocks. I was ready to begin leveling the patio. Screed rails set using a laser level to the exact height, along with this simple homemade tool, allowed me to prepare a base that sloped at a 2% grade away from the house. Next, I laid an inch of sand and began setting pavers. We decided to go with a random pattern of 3 different paver sizes and colors. I laid the pavers up to the edge of the wall caps, then built this nifty jig to scribe a line where I cut each paver individually with a diamond blade to make space for what is known as the soldier course. I cut around the posts and was ready to begin building the railing. A little oil and some fancy solar light post caps, and the patio was complete. The final touch was to add some high-quality planting mix to the garden bed. It felt so good when the measurements and the placement of that very first lower block stacked up in a way that allowed my paver grade and wall caps to match up perfectly. Now, Butch and Sharon have a new patio and garden bed, and the project was completed on time and $1,600 under budget. Thank you for watching, and feel free to have a look at my website, pattonpermaculture.com.